What's up, guys? We are back with another update. We are on our way to pick up the new auction car. We won this thing yesterday for 325 bucks, guys. So let's see how much car we get for 325 bucks. And let's see what this thing looks like. 'Cause I kind of forgot what it looks like and what it drove like yesterday, but we'll check it out. Alrighty, guys. I think it's coming. Let's check it out. Oh, it's running. Let's hope it's no white smoke or nothing like that. Pretty decent. Definitely the rotors are rusted. Thanks, bro, appreciate it. Let's get in this thing. The windshield wipers don't seem to want to cut off, apparently. So we'll try to get this figured out really. Alright, so the windshield wipers apparently won't stop going. But let's see. We might need some power steering fluid, which we have some. Let's check this antifreeze. I don't know if this hood has one of those. So it's got antifreeze. But the freaking windshield wipers won't cut off. So let's get this stuff in the car and try to get it back. And right off back, this thing is kind of wobbly. Of course, the tires are low right now. So we're just about to go to the gas station here and try to get some air. And hopefully this thing rides smoothly back to the house. Need a little, oh, whoa. That was scary. That was pretty scary. This thing like jerked to the right. I don't know if this steering is messed up or what. Alrighty, guys, so literally all four tires is like ultra low. So we gotta get this thing. That's why I felt like it was loose. So I gotta get all these things pumped up, ready to go, and I'll get right back to you. Alrighty, guys, so we made it to the tire shop. I think one of these valve stems are broken because it's not letting me get any air in that front tire and then that back tire over there. It does have cold AC. However, when you turn the AC on, it seems to like lift up in the temperature gauge a little bit, so I had to cut that out real quick. So we may have something there. Should be a simple fix, hopefully. If we could just get it to the house, that'll be more than perfect for me. But yeah, we'll just check it out, and hopefully nothing is wrong with the steering. Hopefully it's just the tires. Alrighty, guys, we pretty much got this thing aired up. However, oh snaps, did you guys see that? This thing is like jerking to the right and jerking to the left. Like, that is so scary right there. I don't know if this is a good buy, guys. I'm kind of shaking up, to be honest. I'm like sweating and all like type of stuff. I don't know, guys, how far we'll make it, but we'll try to make it pretty far. I'll get back to you in a hot sec. Wow, we really have some overheating here. That is so crazy. Like, I'm so upset right now. I think we're gonna have to park this thing, and man, I don't know. I turned the heater on just now, so hopefully that may do some good. But man, guys, I know you're probably wondering, why is he still driving that thing and it's freaking boiling at the top? I can't just be stuck here, so I'd rather get to a shop and be damn near burnt down rather than be stuck in a freaking neighborhood somewhere. So we're trying to get back to the other road there and see if we can get something going. Up, there it goes. There goes the putt-putt. There goes the putt-putt, guys. Alright, so this thing is pretty hot right now. Let's try to pop this hood. So It's funny how the antifreeze is filled up, but not really. We're still overheating. And we gotta get that battery right. I didn't even notice that the first time. That battery is crazy. I don't even know if that's the right battery for this car. That's crazy. Maybe our antifreeze isn't getting into the radiator. Let's see if we pour some antifreeze and stuff into that radiator, if we can get a different output. Alrighty guys, now I actually put just a touch of antifreeze in there. You remember how it wasn't no action when we took off the top? I let the antifreeze actually get in there, and it's just welling up in smoke right now. So I'll probably continue to add that other bottle over there and hope for the best and see what happens. Back on the road here, we have a blinking airbag light for some odd reason. We have the check engine light on. I'm sure that's because it got super hot. We do some coolant in the actual radiator, and we're about maybe 2 miles from the little radiator place. So hopefully we can make it and not blow this thing up in the process. So stay tuned and let's take this ride. Alrighty guys, it looks like we just pretty much barely made it to the radiator repair shop. So let's hope they can get us right and hope it's a simple fix. So glad we made it, man. See, I'm definitely the type of person that just be like, screw it, fucking leave it where it's at. But I'm like, it's a simple radiator fix, and I'll be able to sell it for a decent price. And look at the steam. But I swear to you guys, I'm definitely the forget it and move on type of person. Like, I would have just left it on the street. But I'm like, you know what? Let me give my viewers some good content, man. Let me not give up on it so easy. Let's try to make it work. Let's not make it be a money pit, but we're definitely gonna try to make it work, man. Alrighty guys, quick update. The Infiniti does have a radiator leak, so we're gonna get that fixed. He says it should be about $150 for everything. New radiator and installed and all that good stuff. So you guys let me know if that's a pretty good deal. Now, ironically, the tire alignment space, the wheel alignment, is literally right next door to the radiator spot, so it couldn't be more better right now. So let's see if this thing is almost done or getting started on or something. Let's see what's up. Good, no overheating. Have you tried it with the AC on?
No, go ahead.
Let's turn this AC on and see if we can get some cold vibes up in here. See if we can get some.
I got you some mounts.
Oh, you got new mounts? For sure, perfect.
Yeah,
so it's a whole complete new radiator, you know?
This one,
or you just switch the top, huh?
Yeah, but this one they have nothing in here.
Oh, okay,
so,
yeah.
So that way you don't have that.
So now
I put some kind of parts in here because your fan was broke. So just leave it alone to dry.
Oh, okay.
So this piece was broke today.
Right. So now, is this antifreeze going to flow into here now?
Yeah.
Because last time it wasn't flowing when I brought it, wasn't flowing, so maybe.
Well, if you don't do it, you have to change the cap, but the cap looks okay.
Oh, okay, cool.
All right.
Alright, well, let's hope it don't overheat. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a wheel alignment and stuff right now. Oh, yeah? Oh, okay, cool. Alright, cool. Alright. So I don't know. I don't think we got AC in this joint that was working earlier. I don't know how to get the AC actually on, so we'll just leave that alone for now. I gotta press this button and the curtain drops down. Now that's luxury, y'all. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Now let's see if we can get that, see what that service engine light is on for and get that code cleared. Okay. Now we got the scanner hooked up. See how many codes pops up. P1217. Let's see what that code is. Alrighty, so our check engine light is off. However, our airbag light is blinking. So maybe we'll reset that when we switch out the battery. So it's actually running, not overheating. nothing like that. They actually put some glue on that. I guess they switched some stuff on the radiator. They got this little mount right here. We gotta go get our battery because that's definitely not the right battery. Got some type of motor noise, nothing knocking, but I mean, you know, it is a 2002, 17 years old, so you know, it's not gonna be the most silent, but we're about to get this wheel alignment and hoping this thing is a pretty A1 for the most part. See, like the AC, it doesn't even work. Maybe it needs to be recharged or something. So we got it up and he's gonna check out exactly what's causing that problem. So much to do, and we were just planning on picking up the car, but you know, hey, it is what it is. That's auction cars for you, man.
You need a replace the lower control arm.
Lower control arm. Oh, okay,
Right.
I see.
Lower control arm.
Wow, okay.
This is what it is. You see, coming this way.
See.
You see right here. Oh man, it's too much.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Right. There's no way we can just tighten that in.
This one broke you axle.
Oh, it broke the axle.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Already broke. You see?
The whole axle's broken, so I need an axle, right?
Axle and lower control arm. And this way, this one I got inside. I got rubber.
Right.
It's good.
The bushing, yeah.
The bushing is okay.
Alrighty guys, we are back on the road here. We figured out our problem. We have a bad lower control arm and a bad front passenger axle. So we're just gonna take it easy here until we get to the house. We're actually just gonna try to take the streets the whole entire way. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time, but you know, to be safe, that's the cost we're gonna have to pay. So we will try to get this to the house and then just reset, and then just try to find those parts for very cheap, because right now I feel like I'm liable to spend anything just to get this car running right and get back home. So I just want to get home, reset, and then we'll get back to it. Now guys, as I'm driving ever so slowly, I just noticed this right here. Peep that. It's got a whole like navigation type of thing. That's pretty dope. I didn't even know this old car really had that. That's crazy. We're just now making it back to the house, man, after like so long. 20 miles later, dude, we finally made it back. Hours later, we were supposed to get this thing earlier this morning and just do a simple pickup and come back home, man. Had to do so much. We had to get the radiator changed. The radiator was leaking. Then we found out our lower control arm, the bushings on that is gone. The side axle is actually broken. So when I'm driving, I don't know if you've seen it in the previous videos, when I'm driving, it kind of jerks to the right by itself a little bit while the steering wheel is still straight, so that was kind of scary. So we're just gonna search the web, see if we can find those parts really cheap before we have to go in that hot heat and and pick apart and pluck them off a car. So I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. We'll definitely be getting into this car in the next video. This morning just actually lasted a lot longer than I expected, so I'm thinking I'm gonna be done with this sun for today, dude. It's so hot in this tan interior. I should have took my own advice. So yeah, as always, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks again for the 5,000 subscribers. I greatly appreciate it. Peace.